Technology has become integrated into almost everything we do. Now, we can add pizza delivery to that list. Pizza Hut Israel has teamed up with tech company Dragontail System Limited to attempt pizza delivery by drone. The drones will start flying pizzas to remote areas in northern Israel beginning in June of this year. Due to weight limits, the drones can only hold approximately 5.5 pounds, roughly 2 pizzas and a regular soda bottle. For now, the drones will not be delivering the pizzas directly to customers' homes. Israel's government has designated landing zones where the pizzas will be picked up by delivery drivers within a 50 square mile radius. Dragontail attests that drone deliveries provide both restaurants and delivery drivers with an opportunity to reach a more extensive range of customers.